Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you can watch how to download and install Zoom in Windows 10. So, let's get started.
Jack it up.
First, open a browser and go to zoom.us/download. And you should see like this. Click download. Download it. Now, I'm downloading the file. It's finished downloading. So, open it. Now, it's initializing. Wait it patiently to finish. Click yes. It's finished successfully. Now, you can use Zoom in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is useful for you, please like and share.